Hmm.
Game, game, game.
Yan. Okay.
She...
Maybe the face I can't forget, a trace of pleasure or regret. Maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song that summer sings, maybe the chill that autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of a day. She always seems so happy and proud. Those eyes can be so natural and so proud. No one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hope to last. They come to me from shadows of the past that I remember till the day I die. She may be the reason I survive, the why, the wherefore I'm alive, the one I'll care for through the rough and rainy years. She may be the hero of my dreams. Nakalimutan ko na. Okay na yun, okay na yun.
Tapusin mo na!
Nakalimutan ko na.
Ayun na. Thank na po. Yay!
Ako
Oh.
hinahabol ko yung music.
Ayan na, na-figure out ko pa kung paano maglagay ng palakpak dito sa ano.